Good afternoon. It is September 11th, 2023, and today I would say this is a range day. Um, we have this steep move up in the overnight, and then uh, we have this move to a new high. And, Mack says he usually doesn't draw these lines because they don't play out. Well, we didn't get a new high after this broke, so there's a reason for that. Then we get this channel down. I believe this channel is accurate, but you would have to draw it off the lows. And I mean, really, you could view it a couple ways. You could view it as this spike and channel down with a break and a couple legs to a new low. But we have a break of this channel, some correction, and two legs to a new low before it reversed. Not a lot of trades today, unfortunately, but let's take a look. So yeah, you have this nice strong move up in the overnight. You get a break, and then a second entry long. But this is at like 1:30 a.m. Then you get a first entry, failed second entry short. What time is this? At 5:07 a.m. So I mean, there's reason to like it. This was a nice bullish move, but we could just be at the top of a range. So I'm not too crazy about that, but we already had a break of this channel and a move to a new high, and this kind of looks like a range, but maybe you take that. It kind of looks like we're getting confirmation of a channel, and then if you look at this as a new low, which it's not, but it kind of looks like if this is a low on a different chart, we broke below it. First entry, failed second entry. Maybe you take that. It's a higher low off this trend line. Pretty strong bull move. But then we top out and get a double top, and it sells off. And that's when you get this spike and channel down. Very strong. Keeps riding the lows of this channel. And then you draw it off the lows, drag it to the highs, and come back. You get a first entry, second entry. Signal bar is not great, but it's 4 ticks, excuse me. And we make a move down, and then you get a first entry, second entry off of this trend channel. But we came up short on this swing of the lows of the channel. So I mean, I marked it red, probably green. It's not perfect. And then you get a failed second entry long. At least that's how I was looking at it, because that's 2 swings up. But this is probably the failure, and that's probably why that worked so well. But this kind of looks like a 2-legged pullback, so maybe you take that one. But you can see the EMA also flattening out. And you get this leg of correction, and then it just breaks, and maybe you take that looking for a measured leg down, and you would have gotten it. So you can see this is the area where people started taking profits. I was thinking about this higher low, but it's looking like a range day, so we're making new lows. I don't think you want to take that. And prices reverse, but we're still flip-flopping, so this isn't convincing enough for me to take this failed second entry short, even though it's confirmation of the trend line, because I'm just not convinced. I mean, lower high compared to these, I'm just, that's a tough one. Yeah, I'm not, I don't know. I don't like it. First entry, second entry, but it's just in no man's land. We don't really know what's happening, and we rock it up, and then we just go sideways for a while. You get a double test right here, but again, we just had to overshooted this channel. and you're just in no man's land. I don't think you can take that. So that's how I saw it today. Pretty low volume day. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I'll be back tomorrow.